Side lengths ng pentagon o yung 5 sides at yung pentagram o yung star polygon. So, makikita natin na yung pentagram pala follows the golden ratio. Yung sinasabi nilang divine ratio. So, kita nyo yung square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Golden ratio yan. So, yung R is yung radius from the center, yung sa pentagram, at yung sa pentagon naman is yung 2R times sine 36. No, yung sine 36 is kasi yung 180 divided by 5. So, interior angles is 180 divided by 5 di 36. So, yan. Para makuha mo yung side lengths ng pentagon at saka ng pentagram o ng polygon star. So, yun lang po.